to my channel and happy Good Friday. Today is Good Friday, okay? Like, I hope you guys know the meaning of Good Friday. Good Friday is the day that Jesus died for our sins, okay? Like, how many people can do that? You know, your sins has been taken away from you. You have been forgiven. Like, him dying is literally like the receipt, you know, to prove that your sins have been forgiven. All you have to do is just pray and read your Bible, okay? Pray and read your Bible. So yeah, you guys just have to read your Bible so you guys can know so you guys can understand and also know the meaning of today and also everything else as well, you know, so you guys can have more knowledge about the whole thing about Christ, because Christ is important. Christ is the reason why you're watching me. It's the reason why you're breathing. It's the reason why you can even still, you know, you can even still turn on your TV or your phone or your laptop to see, you know, to watch my channel right now. Because if without him, I don't know, you're nothing. Like, I'm nothing, you're nothing. No, wait, nothing, okay? So in this video, I'm going to be cleaning my house, not the entire house, obviously, because to clean the entire house, guys, I am going to be like gone by the time I'm done, okay? So I just decided to clean upstairs, and if you guys want to see how I clean my kitchen and stuff, I do a lot of like kitchen clean with me. You guys should check that out. Check my video if you want to see like kitchen and stuff. But in another video, maybe next time, I will do my living room and also do the kitchen as well at the same time. But in this video, we're just going to be focusing on upstairs, my bedroom, the kids' room, and my bathroom. So yeah, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Mary. You are so welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, and also give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. And if you guys want to see how I clean my house, then keep watching. So guys, I'm gonna start off by making my bed. Obviously, I woke up this morning and I just left the bed so messy and I wasn't really bothered, so I just left it anyhow. But I'm gonna make the bed, put all the pillows together, and I'm gonna hoover my floor, also clean my bedside tables, and then yeah, if you guys are wondering where I got my pillow, my cushions and covers and everything from, I'm going to link it down below. I just got it from like a Instagram account that I followed. Literally, I just came across them. They sell like really nice luxury stuff but on a budget, okay? Like high-end on a budget, you know. You guys should check it out. Literally, I love the products. Check them out if you're interested in these covers and throws and everything. They sell everything, literally beddings, everything. Check them out. You're not gonna regret it, I promise. Okay.
You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
So guys, what I'm just doing here is I'm just spraying my bed sheet and everything with my fabric conditioner, diluted with water, obviously. And yeah, I just love the way that smells. It smells so fresh, like my beddings just came out of the wash. Literally love it. Okay, you guys should try that. Dilute your fabric conditioner with water and use it every time you make your bed. Like, literally, it smells like heaven. Okay.
Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.
So guys, this is the finished look of my room. I absolutely love having my bed laid properly. Like, I love the feeling. As like, I just don't want to sleep on it. But I love it, you guys. This is the finished look. I hope you guys love it too. So
then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day.
okay, so guys, now we're going to move to my kids' room. I told them to, there's really not much to do in here because I already told them to clean up before I started filming, so they kind of just did like lay their bed and stuff, but obviously to their own taste. But I'm gonna do it properly, you know, to my own taste. So I'm gonna lay their bed, clean the floor, and also clean the wardrobe. They only have one wardrobe, so yeah, clean the wardrobe, hoover the floor, and just fix the bed properly. There's really not much to do in here, so yeah. And I promise you I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. Oh baby, please don't stop. No, we'll take it to the top, girl. Yeah, yeah. We can do it all night long, just me and you alone. Oh baby, you're so beautiful, beautiful. You don't have to feel no pressure. We got all the night, no stress, girl. Go ahead and get undressed, girl. We can do it all the night, and I promise you that my name, I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. Let's take it to another level. Yeah, let's fly all the way up to heaven. Hey, I love the way you put it down, girl. Love the way you make me feel. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. Know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. So guys, this is the final look of the kids' bedroom. It's really love when I clean the bedroom. I love it. It's sparkling clean. Everything is looking smelling fresh and refreshing. Really love that. So the next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to move to the bathroom and tackle that up as well. You make me scream your name. So guys, it's time to clean the toilet. I absolutely hate cleaning toilets. Like, I don't know about you, but I just don't like cleaning toilets. I feel like it's so yucky, but I have to do it because I have kids. Because every time they use the toilet, they put their hands on the toilet seat and stuff. So I have to make sure that that part is really clean, most especially the toilet seats. Okay, so yeah, I'm just using my domestic spray bleach to do so, and I'm also using some cloth that I don't know, that I got from, I don't know. I'm just using that cloth to clean on top of the toilet seats and also the seat itself. And yeah,
Let's go and we can fly away. We're taking off to the sky. It's you and me tonight. Ooh, baby. You know that we're something special. Baby boy, you are my treasure. It's amazing how you rock my world. You're the only one for me. Never thought that I would be your girl. You're the only ooh, yeah. You're the
Okay guys, so now I'm about to mop the floor and I'm using my Flash multi-surface gel. Literally I can use this for anything. You can use it to clean your kitchen counter, you can use it to clean literally anywhere. I really love the way this multi-surface gel smells. This is the lemon version, so I absolutely love using this for my floor most especially, and sometimes I pour this in the toilet as well, so it gives that really nice lemon smell. I love it. So yeah, so I'm just mopping through my bathroom, and then I'm gonna mop my kids' room as well, but I might not show that in the video because at this point I am getting really tired. So yeah.
we got it, baby. Got it, baby.
So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed that little clean with me video. I obviously loved cleaning. Like, if you don't clean, like, I don't know, who are you if you don't clean, if you don't like cleaning? That's crazy. So you have to clean, okay? So I just enjoyed cleaning. I love the smell of like fresh, you know, stuff, like when you've cleaned and everything is just smelling all fresh and everything, especially when I used my Flash lemon gel thingy. That thing smells so nice. I love it. So yeah, I really enjoyed this video. I hope you guys did too. Let me know if there's any other type of videos that you guys want to see me film. Like I said, I am going to be doing my living room and my kitchen in another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Mary. I upload twice a week, Fridays and on Tuesdays and Fridays. Let's say it like that. Tuesdays and Fridays. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Fridays. And if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, you guys. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.